Down through Dublin city at the hour of 12 at night, who should I spy but the Spanish lady washing her feet in the candlelight. First she washed them, then she dried them over a fire of ambry coals. In all me life I ne'er did see a maid so sweet about the soul. Whack for the tooraloo laddie, whack for the tooraloo, whack for the tooraloo laddie, whack for the tooraloo. As I came back through Dublin city at the hour of 8:30, who should I spy but the Spanish lady brushing her hair in the broad daylight. First she brushed it, then she tossed it, on her lap was a silver comb. In all me life I ne'er did see a maid so sweet since I did roam. Whack for the tooraloo laddie, whack for the tooraloo lad, whack for the tooraloo laddie, whack for the tooraloo lad. As I returned to Dublin city as the sun began to set, who should I spy but the Spanish lady catching moths in the golden net. First she saw me, then she fled me, lifting her petticoats o'er her knee. In all me life I ne'er did see a maid so sweet as a Spanish lady. Whack for the tooraloo laddie, whack for the tooraloo, whack for the tooraloo laddie, whack for the tooraloo, whack for the tooraloo laddie, whack for the tooraloo, whack for the tooraloo laddie, whack for the tooraloo. Tooraloo laddie, whack for the tooraloo, whack for the tooraloo laddie, whack for the tooraloo.